These are new emerging companies that you're building, right? How do you make that happen?
You do a few different things. One is you have to set clear expectations. Set the bar, as I said in my previous answer. But what I often have done is build dashboards and metrics that clearly outline, this is green, this is amber, this is red. And using data to drive that portion of the business, I think it makes it easier for team members. They know what they're expected to achieve in order to deliver for our business partners, right? Because that's really the end result is the business has a need, we are a support service, and we are here to provide it. So you start with that baseline level setting, hold people accountable to certain metrics and deliverables, which I know is not sexy or flashy, but if you do that, right, you build that foundation, then you have the room for the everything else, for the special projects, for the brainstorming sessions that say, hey, we want to tear this apart and rebuild it. What's it going to take? What are we going to do? And then you start to give folks that room to really grow and expand.
It reminds me a lot of when I assign an assignment and I set a due date and I put metrics in like, hey, you have to have this done by this point. And you see those that keep up with it or those that actually, they have a better execution of the project because there's somebody removing barriers that they put in front of themselves by making sure they stay on these metrics so they tend to succeed.